Hi everyone. If you don't know, I'm Stephanie Lester and I'm a fibre artist, and hopefully you've seen myself and the rest of the Bloomz coming online and also sharing all of our links to Eventbrite for our show that's coming up on the 26th of September. Now, I want to talk to you about the Bloomz, and I also want to talk to you about the show. But first of all, I want to talk to you about the show. So, what happened last night? So I'm going to talk to you I was going to do the normal and tell you how fantastic it's going to be and everything. And it is. And we keep on telling everybody. And then last night, I was speaking to my friend who is in America. And she's brilliant, and she's IT, and she's an art lover. And I said, are you coming to the show? And she said, I can't make it live. Can you send me a recording? And I thought, oh my God, this isn't something that you can record. This is actually, it's a physical experience. And I started to think, why are you thinking that? Why have you got the wrong idea? And I realised I was asking the wrong question. And Lee and Paula would be proud of me. I reframed it and said, what is it that I'm not telling you? Why have I not got across what this show is about? So I just want to start from, yes, it's an art show. Yes, we're delivering it on Zoom. But you need to forget Zoom as you know it, be it webinars and meetings. It's none of that. It's not something that you can sit in and go mute or fall asleep or get a recording 2 weeks later. It's a physical show. It's an experience. You actually are entering a gallery. You will be going into the rooms with artists and you'll be seeing their work and you'll be talking to the artists. It's, I find it really difficult to get it across, to explain exactly what it's like, because it's never been done before. And we feel so passionate about it. There's 11 artists. We all came together by going through the Lee and Paula. It was the 30-day boot camp, Sell More Art. And we learnt that artists need to work together. And so we came together and we stayed together and we've put on this show together. We have such a range of art. We've got encaustic wax, myself with my fibre sculptures. We've got portrait artists, animal artists. My goodness, I'm trying to think. Watercolourists. Girls, you'll have to come on and actually remind me of everybody. My mind's gone blank because I'm just so excited with it all. But I don't know how else to actually get it across. And then I suddenly thought, hang on a sec, we actually had a trial 3 weeks ago, and we had about 25 people come along who just were blown away by it. And I now know that what we need to do, the Bloomz, we need to go on and actually do interviews with those people on our personal pages so that they can tell you what it's like. Because I think we get so excited about it, and I think because we know so much about it, we assume you get it. So I don't know how else to tell you how excited we all are about it. But we will go live, we will tell you. So yes, 26th of September. 11 artists who are coming together on a platform called Zoom, but forget anything and how you've seen Zoom before. It will be like coming into a reception and going into the studios and meeting the artists and actually seeing their work and talking to them and finding out about all these different mediums that they work in. So I absolutely would love you. I will put the links in afterwards so that you can go and get your tickets. Haven't told you yet, tickets are free. So basically it's an invitation. We are inviting you to come along and see us. Also, to tell you a bit more about the Bloomz, so there are actually 15 of us in all, and if you go to our website, it's the Bloomz, which is BLOOMZ.co.uk, and the reason we're called that is after the Bloomsbury Group, which was formed in the early 20th century. It was Virginia Woolf, Ian Forster, all those. It was a collective of artists, and so just in relation to that, we are a collective of artists who are just working together for all artists, not just for ourselves, but we support each other, and it's such a brilliant community, and we'd love to share that with you. And Lee and Paula, who are running one of their 5-day challenges, and it's starting on Monday, and I will put the link to that in as well, because I was just thinking this morning, so much of my day today, which we woke up thinking, what on earth is going on, reframing, thinking myself into a positive frame of mind, and as I said, I've been bouncing like Tigger ever since, and I wanted to come on and actually share about our show with you. So, hi Catherine, sorry, didn't see the glasses. So brilliant, thank you. If you've got any questions, even if you're coming on afterwards on the hashtag replay, ask away, because I'm starting to think that I'm not answering the right questions. So please ask me, and hopefully we'll be back on with some of the great guys who joined us at the trial, and we'll tell you even more about it. So fantastic, see you soon.